In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair a transmission connector. It's a 8-speed ZF transmission on this Audi. A lot of the ZF transmissions have the same connector here. As you can see, this one's very broken. This is how it should look. There's a mechanism here to lock it, so it's locked in to the transmission when it gets plugged in, and somebody destroyed that connector on here, so when you plug it in, there's no guarantees that it will stay plugged in, and it's super common for these to get destroyed if you live in the Northeast, where we get a lot of salt and just dirt, debris getting in there. It's a plastic mechanism here, so that's how they fail. This is a used good one, OEM. You're gonna want to verify that they look exactly the same, and they do. So yeah, I'll go ahead and show you how I'm gonna go about doing this. The one tool you're gonna need is a set of these wire connector terminal tools here, so that you're able to pull each individual wire out of the connector. That's the only way to take it apart. And my strategy here, to ensure that all the wires go right back exactly where they belong, I am going to take first a lot of pictures, and second, I think I'm going to just do one wire at a time, and I'm going to, so I'm going to remove this orange black wire here, and then remove it on this one, and put that one right into this one, and do that for every single wire until they're all swapped over, and that way shouldn't be any mistakes. Okay, so I've just taken a bunch of pictures, and I'm now going to proceed to repair this connector. Another thing you will need is a small flathead screwdriver. So each one is numbered. I'm going to start with this orange and black wire that's coming out of number 5. So first thing you need to do is press on this white tab here, and you'll hear a click. That's a safety lock, so the wires don't come out by accident. And now I'm going to find the correct size, and we're going for number 5. Yep, they're numbered on both sides. Going for number 5, and you need to find a size that fits over the outside of the pin, not on the inside. Number 5. Okay, we just pulled number 5 right out. Yep, number 5. So we're going to go on to our new connector, and I'm going to find number 5. I'm going to pop the safety mechanism. I'm going to find number 5. Let's see. Number 5 right here. Hang on, organize the wires a little bit. Okay. Number 5. Just make sure to double check. It's super important that these all go right back where they belong. Number 5 right here. So there it is, and number 5 is out. So we will go ahead and then just put, organization's gonna be super key here. So put number 5 right back in. The wires are definitely going to need some help going back in, so I'm going to use my small screwdriver, give it a push. Okay, this one's having trouble. You should hear a small click. Okay, I think it is in. It's in. So that's the first one. As you can see, it's gonna get messy doing this strategy, but I think it's the best strategy to keep everything organized super well. So we'll keep moving along here. To help me stay organized, I'm actually going to grab a pen and paper and write down which ones I've already put in. So I just wrote down number 5 because number 5 is the one I have installed right now. Okay. So number 5 is in. Now we will go for number 2, which is a light blue, dark blue wire. Number 2. Okay. Number 2, number 2, number 2. I'll walk you guys through doing this one again, and then I think you'll have the idea. Let's see, number 2, inserted my tool, pulled on the other side where the wire is, and it's out. Take your tool out, find number 2 on the replacement connector. Number 2 right here. Insert it right into number 2. And oh, the locking tab actually popped out. So pop that again, and out comes number 2. So now we will find, it's very easy to get unorganized here, so just take a step back. Number 2 is going right back in right here. It seems like every one of these is going to need a little help going in with a some sort of small pick that you can get in there with and help give it a push. Number 2 is in, it looks like. Let's give it another push, make sure. Yep, give them each a tug, make sure they're in all the way. That's gonna be the basic idea. I'll bring you guys back and give you an update once I'm getting close. So this is the finished product. As you can see, it's a good connector. The mechanism works now. All the wires are transferred over. Unfortunately, a couple wires I didn't get to actually switch over because my tool broke on me with about 2 wires left, and I'm in a pinch because I need my car going again, so I cut and spliced in the last 2 wires. I don't think there should be any issue. It's just I would have preferred to have done it the right way, but it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, and so yeah, it's a very good solution to if your connector gets broken or whatnot. So yeah, that's how you replace that. This is my old connector right here. It's all busted up, and new one right here. Yep, thank you for watching.